Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to add a music in Spotify. So let's get started. At first, we need to go to Spotify app. So here it is. Now we need to click on home, and in the top right corner we can see the setting icon. So let's tap on this. Now we need to scroll down. Here we can see local files, so let's tap on this and turn this on. It shows audio files from your device. So now we need to go to your library, so let's click on this. Now here we can see local file folder, so let's tap on this, and here you can play any of your songs in your device. So here you can tap on any of them and listen to it anywhere. So this is all about how to add a music in Spotify. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.